In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make few different types of hearts with paper quilling. So to start with, I'm getting some few paper strips in red. And for the first, let's see to make this type of heart. You can use full strip of paper to make the bigger hearts or half strip of paper to make the smaller hearts. Roll the strip of paper. You can do it with your regular quilling tool or your motorized quilling tool, whichever you prefer. Keep rolling your paper and then grab a circle scale. This time I'm going to use this size 18, and now I can pick it out. I'm going to push the center towards one side and press the other end to make a teardrop shape. Now I glue down the tip. Now I'm going to do the same thing with another strip of paper, and this time I'm using my motorized quilling tool, which makes my work much faster. And when we release it, we can see of paper strips come to one side. So what I'm going to do is make them go towards the center like this. Apply glue over this side. You can do it on either side, but this is what I prefer. Now I glue them both together and the heart is done. So this is made with a full strip of paper and number 18 size circle. If you want a smaller size heart, then what you do is tear the paper into half and make the same thing with it. When it is smaller, you will get a smaller size heart. So when you use a full strip of paper, you get a bigger shape, and when you use a smaller size heart, you get the smaller one. If you want it to make even more smaller, you can just make it even more smaller. Like you take 1/4 of the paper strip and then make a heart, and the heart will be even more tiny. So these hearts are done, and now I'm going to make the other one using another full strip of paper. These papers are 3 mm in size and are the regular pre-cut strips that we get from the shops. So now what I do is I just release my hand a little bit. Make a teardrop as usual. Now I'm applying some glue and press it in one end, and now with my other index finger I'm going to press the center to the inside. A heart shape. So the heart shape is ready. So if you're going to stick it, you can just stick it directly to the spot where you need so that the shape is held well, or if you want to just save it for later, but when we put it just like that, the shape will get distorted so that it becomes a little bit of triangle, not an exact heart. So what you do is grab a sheet of plastic and apply some glue all over the heart, and then stick it over the piece of plastic or acetate. You can hold it tight for some time, and after it dries up, you can peel it off from here, and in that case you will be seeing a slight shiny layer of glue on the back side. So when you want to glue it somewhere, you can apply glue over the same spot and glue it to the space where you need. So this helps to maintain the shape for a long time. Now we have seen two different types, and for the third one I'm going to use a paper cut from cardstock. So this is something like 140 to 160 GSM. So I just fold it into half, pinch this end tight, and now take your quilling tool, put it inside the slot, and then start to roll towards the inside. So when you go so closer to the center, you can stop And now do the same for the other side. I'm going to roll it tight until you reach the center. So when you take it out, it will be like this. If you want it to be more curvy, you can just give a little push outside and it forms a heart. This can be changed with the length of paper strip you take. If you're going to use a longer length of paper strip, your heart will be bigger, and when you use a smaller size paper strip, you will have a smaller heart. And yes, you can do it with the regular pre-cut paper strip to get the same effect, but cardstock looks even more elegant. So this is called as some symmetrical heart shape. If you want it to be asymmetrical, you can fold it not as half, but one side to be shorter than the other side. So you have like this, and now I am going to again roll them the same way like we did in the last time. So we roll from both sides towards the center. And because both sides are different in their length, they are going to look a bit different. You can see that one is shorter than the other, which makes a asymmetrical heart shape. In this, we have used a longer strip of paper, and here the paper strip is shorter. So we can see this is much bigger than this heart. So we have seen some 3 different types of heart today. Hope you like it. Do watch my other videos for more quilling ideas. Thanks for watching.